enables Wii consoles to connect modern HDMI TVs, delivering clearer video, improved compatibility, and enhanced gaming experience on current displays. My today's video is about top 5 best Wii to HDMI adapters for modern TVs that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Portholic Wii to HDMI Converter 1080p. The Portholic Wii to HDMI adapter is a compact and practical solution for bringing classic Wii gaming to modern HDMI-equipped TVs, monitors, and projectors. Its plug-and-play design eliminates the need for drivers or complex settings. Simply connect it directly to the Wii and enjoy instant gameplay. With improved compatibility and display clarity. One of its standout features is the additional 3.5mm audio jack, allowing users to connect headphones or external speakers. This makes it ideal for late-night gaming without disturbing others, adding flexibility beyond standard HDMI audio output. However, users should note that some devices may default to 480p instead of 480p, which can affect certain games. Switching to 480p mode is recommended for better HDMI performance. It also does not support Wii Mini or work through switches/splitters, requiring a direct connection. Despite these limitations, its ultra-compact size, smaller than a Zippo, keeps setups clean and cable-free. Backed by responsive customer support, it offers a reliable and space-saving upgrade for Wii enthusiasts. Now our second product is Hoxipsel 5-foot WII to HDMI converter cable adapter. The WII to HDMI adapter offers a simple and efficient way to connect your Wii console to any HDMI-compatible HDTV, monitor, or projector. Its single-cable design helps reduce clutter and eliminates screen flickering often caused by complex or multiple connections, ensuring a more stable gaming experience. Equipped with a built-in conversion chip, it delivers synchronized audio and video output while supporting multiple display modes, including NTSC 480i for 80p and PAL 576i. This ensures broad compatibility with different Wii game formats. Though users should note, it does not enhance original video quality. It only converts the signal. Installation is fully plug-and-play with no drivers or setup required. Just connect the dongle to the Wii and plug the HDMI cable directly into your display for instant gameplay. The included 5 feet, 150 centimeters cable provides flexible positioning while keeping setups tidy and organized. However, it is not compatible with mini, switches, or splitters, and some devices may default to 480 instead of 480p. Despite these limitations, it remains a convenient, low-effort solution for modernizing classic Wii gaming setups. Our third product is Ruepuo RCA to HDMI converter. The RCA to HDMI converter is a practical solution for upgrading classic analog devices to modern HDMI displays. It efficiently converts RCA composite input into crisp 1080p or 720p HDMI output, making older consoles and media players usable on today's HDTVs, monitors, and projectors. Designed with a plug-and-play approach, it requires no complex setup. Simply connect your RCA cables, power it via the included USB cable, and enjoy instant video output. This ease of use makes it highly convenient for both beginners and retro gaming enthusiasts. IT supports a wide range of devices, including PS1, PS2, PS3, Nintendo 64, Wii U, set-top boxes, VHS/VCR players, and Blu-ray DVD players. It also works across multiple TV standards such as PAL, NTSC 3.58, NTSC 4.43, SECOM, PAL/M, and PAL/N, ensuring broad compatibility worldwide. The adapter even supports HDMI capture cards sold separately, adding versatility for recording or streaming setups. However, it does not enhance original video quality and requires correct output settings, e.g., PS2 RGB mode. Despite limitations, it remains a reliable bridge between retro hardware and modern HDMI displays. Now number 4, SIO is 4-in-1 Wii replacement cable set. This upgraded Wii accessory kit is a complete solution for enhancing and modernizing your Nintendo Wii gaming setup. It includes a sensor bar, AV composite cable, AC power adapter, and a Wii to HDMI converter, covering everything needed for smooth setup and improved performance. The upgraded sensor bar is compatible with all Wii controllers, including Motion Plus versions. Its adhesive stand and 7 Plus FT cable allow flexible placement on TVs or monitors, ensuring accurate motion tracking with easy plug-and-play installation. The composite AV cable features gold-plated RCA connectors for stable signal transmission, supporting up to 480i resolution with reduced interference, delivering consistent audio and video output from the console. The AC adapter adds strong protection with smart IC technology, preventing overcurrent, overheating, and overcharging for safer, long-term use. Most importantly, the HDMI converter uses an advanced chip for improved signal processing, offering clearer, more stable visuals with reduced blur and lag. Overall, this all-in-one kit provides a reliable, safe, and upgraded Wii experience for modern displays. And our last choice is B&M Wii to HDMI adapter. The Wii to HDMI converter is a practical upgrade solution for bringing classic Wii gaming into the HD era with modern displays. It supports 720p and 1080p output while maintaining stable signal transmission and synchronized audio-video performance, ensuring a smooth and responsive gaming experience. With its plug-and-play design, setup is effortless. Just connect the Wii console and plug the HDMI cable into your TV or monitor without needing drivers or configuration. This simplicity makes it ideal for users who want quick modernization without technical hassle. The adapter delivers clear HD visuals with no noticeable transmission loss, while HDMI 1.3 compatibility ensures reliable performance across supported devices. It also supports multiple Wii display modes, including NTSC 480i for 80p and PAL 576i, offering broad system compatibility. For audio flexibility, users can connect external speakers or headphones for enhanced sound quality. However, it does not support Wii Mini and must be connected directly without splitters. Some systems may require switching to 480p for optimal output. Overall, it offers a stable, easy, and efficient HDMI upgrade for Wii consoles. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.